Hello everyone and welcome to our new video. Today I'm gonna give you some blog tips about how to use Koala AI to make money online. So if you're interested in learning about this powerful tool and how it can help you boost your online income, don't forget to go and check out the link in the description or the pinned comment where I left it so you can use it to get access to the platform totally for a free trial. In this video, we'll explore how Koala AI, an advanced artificial intelligence tool, can be a game changer for your blog. So this tool is designed to help you streamline your content creation process, making it faster and more efficient. Now, as you can see here, this is the official website. So from this button, you'll be able to try the platform totally for free. So this is Koala Writer. Click on try Koala Writer for free from here, and then what we're gonna do is very simple. So you don't need even to sign up, you'll just have to make your setting. Here we have the GPT version. We can use, for example, GPT 3.5, GPT 4, or GPT for legacy. Now you'll have to pay for this too, so this is totally for free. You'll have access to the GPT 3.5 version, which is of course totally for free. Now here we have the article type. So here we have many types. We have for blog writing, Amazon products roundup, Amazon single product review, and YouTube video to blog posts and rewrite blog posts. Now if you have AI written post and you want to rewrite it, you'll have to click on this one. But if you wanna write new AI post, you just click on blog post right here. Here you'll have to put the target word. So for example, I'm just gonna write for example marketing. I'm gonna look for marketing, and after that we're gonna scroll down right here. We have the SEO optimization, which is very important. You can set the default setting or click on manual. Here you'll be able to add the keywords. So I'll advise you to use some tools. So a tip is to go here. I'm gonna show you a website. It is called vidIQ. So this platform will offer you amazing keywords, especially if you want to make contents for your YouTube videos and stuff. Will help you to write your script. So if you want to write script with AI using keywords, this is an amazing platform. So get keywords from here and use it in the platform. So from here we have automation or automatic internal linking. So this is only available with the professional or golden credit pack. This is actually an amazing tool. So this is an amazing feature that you can use to make automatic internal linking for many content. So I'll advise you to get the professional subscription or the golden credit pack. So here, after you signing up to your account and choosing your plan, you'll be able to choose and add a domain, which is amazing. This is an optional plan, of course. So here we have the AI, image, and YouTube video. So from here you'll be able to decide if you want a auto video, images, or videos. Now if we click here on videos, here you'll have the maximum number of videos that you want, like 15. We can go to 14, or we can go to more, of course. Now we're gonna scroll down here. You can decide the article length. So if you're choosing an article, so here you can see the setting. You can add the length, the tone of voice, the language, the country, etc. Then you're gonna scroll down and here and just click on create article. This is actually amazing. Now I'm gonna give you some other advices. What we can do is to go directly from here, go and click on prompt for blogs. So go here, and after that we have the top 10 ChatGPT prompts for blog posts. We can use those prompt posts from here. For example, you just go and select some prompts and you just edit it to make it personal, depend on your subject of the blog post. Now here, this is a great tip if you want to create engaging blog post. So as you can see right here, this is the result of my prompt. I actually changed it and asked for affiliate marketing programs. So here, as you can see, we got the photos. So we ask for photos, and here we have descriptions and many definitions for the article, like the commission structure for affiliate programs, payment terms, market reputation, etc. And here we got the top softwares that we looked for. And here, as you can see, those are the software for affiliate marketing. Now what we can do is very easy. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing, you can come to the tool and tell him to write you a article about the best programs of affiliate. So go and choose programs or softwares that you can work with affiliate marketing. So also, if you're working on e-commerce, on things like that, you will be able to generate content for you to promote the product and the software. So this is very important for affiliate marketing. As I mentioned before, just know how to write your prompts. You can create content to promote product, sorry, and you can actually ask for his help to know more about the domain. So if you want to start out with the platform, just go to my link in the description or in the pinned comment. You'll be able to access the platform and use it for a free trial. So just go and click on it. Thank you so much for watching the video and see you on our next tutorial.